Hello and welcome back to my channel. I don't fear for my life whenever I film, and today is the day where for the very first time I am terrified, actually quite physically, just don't really want to do this video. But I am very intrigued whether I can give my lashes a lift at home with a kit. I have my eyelash perming. Oh, because you're technically curling them. Got it. I have my eyelash perming kit. And if you would like to see whether I can give my lashes a lift at home, just keep on watching. This kit is designed to give you thicker and fuller lashes. I don't know how it's going to make them thicker, but the lash lift enhances your natural lashes. It's not as scary or hard as it looks. It looks very scary, very hard. It's a 3-step process that only takes 5 to 10 minutes. The kit works flawlessly on all types of lashes. Let the results speak for themselves. The lift is instant and lasts from 6 to 8 weeks. Perfect lashes all day, every day. Get it now at Diablo. And I'm sure many of you, as myself, go on Instagram and you see all those ads and you think, oh my god, I really need that, I really want to try that. Here it is. Today you don't have to try it unless it's good. I'm going to try it for you guys. I went on to Shop Now. It opened up a website about the Icon Lash Lifting Perming Kit. Today it says it's 65% off and you will pay £21 for it. I placed my order on the 31st of May and it was also £21, so the sale is on all the time. Those types of things always have a sale on because they want you to buy it there and then. It does tell you that shipping time can range from 7 to 20 days depending on your location. I got mine on the 14th of June, so it took 14 days, exactly 2 weeks, and it is shipped from China, so that again is to be expected. First of all, it doesn't take from 5 to 10 minutes, it takes 5 to 10 minutes each step, and there's 3 steps. Use the cleaning liquid to remove the oil, dust and makeup residue. I don't have any makeup on, I just washed my face. However, if there is a disinfectant in there, I will be using that. Apply the eye pads on the under eyelids to protect our skin from the permanent lotion. Grammar. It should read, apply the eye pads on the under eyelids to protect your skin from our perming lotion. Put the lift pads on the eyelash, then apply the glue on the eyelash to keep it stick on the lift pads. Use the glue setting the eyelash on the lift pads about 1 minute. The directions somewhat make sense, but the grammar is terrible. You do get the cleaning pads, I assume. You get lift pads, you get the Perm one, fixation, nutrition, cleanser, and this, I assume, is glue. Yep, false lashes glue. Oh. Okay, I guess I'm going to zoom it in and we're going to get started. These are my lashes without the perm. Let's just give you a quick look. There's not much to it, they're there. So let's follow instructions. I do have a fly in here, which probably isn't going to help. Thanks, fly. I'm going to follow instructions and take... Oh, that's the one that rattles. So you get 3 of these weird looking things. It's like a comb and a flat bit with a lip that you can hold. That's why you need to read the instructions carefully. I thought these will be what has like cleaning pads in there. No, it has these, but I have to use the number 4. I assume that's what I need to use, the cleaning liquid to remove oil, dust and makeup residue. There's no smell to it. Okay, it has a safety cap on it. That's why it didn't have a smell. I think it's alcohol based, but not too fragrant. But you do get a cap I didn't know it was a cap. I thought it was a lip of the bottle. I'm going to take a cotton bud, dip it in the solution, and I'm just going to quickly give this. Doesn't feel bad. Definitely alcohol based. It dries really quickly. Let's identify what size lifting pads I will need. It says SMM1M2L. So I'm interested. Ooh, oh my god. Look, that's the most scary part for me. Okay, let's just start with an M. Yeah, M is way too big for my lid. Let's go with an S. Yeah, S should be fine, but it doesn't really want to stick. Maybe I was meant to apply glue onto this. It sounds like it's supposed to be here, but it doesn't really want to stick. I'm going to clean my eye one more time. Maybe this cleaning solution helps it to stick. My eye just seems to be too curved for this. Let me try and bend it. It helped it. Oh god. That's the most scary part for me. The next thing is to use the glue. Oh god, I'm so scared. Yes, I applied a very thin layer of the Lash glue. I'm going to let this dry. It needs to get tacky. Good job I've got a couple of these here. It keeps flinging off. Did I stuck it on the wrong way? No, I didn't. I didn't. Doesn't want to stick to my lid. Okay, I'm going to put this to the side. Let me clean my eye one more time. I'm also going to clean this. Stay put. I thought I could do this, but I swear it's not that easy because my hooded eyelids just keep pushing this thing. So I might have to just keep it like this. Keep my head tilted. Nope. Still doesn't want to stick on. I'm already getting annoyed with it. This isn't going to work if the actual pad doesn't want to stick. And I'm going to use a comb this time. Push these on. And now my lashes don't want to stick. If you're not a patient person, you're going to hate this because I have a lot of patience and I'm losing it slowly. Slowly but surely. Okay, I've got about half of them stuck on this thing. The glue doesn't really hold them that well. Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave it there. Even if they do fling off, I'm just going to push them back on because if I apply too much glue, my lashes will be covered with glue rather than the solution, and it's definitely not gonna lift them enough. It's definitely the pad's fault because it keeps flinging off my lid itself. This looks awful. Like, I look scary right now. Apply the pad, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Use the Perm #1 white in colour on the eyelash and then cover the plastic film about 8 to 12 minutes. What plastic film? Okay, I'm just going to shake this up a little bit. Open up my first bottle. Oh god, that just full on smells like bleach slash... Oh god, no. Why am I putting this on my eye? Okay, I'm being very careful and I'm going nowhere near the root of my lash. If this gets in my eye, I just know I'm gonna cry or go blind. So I try and cover all of my lashes with this white stuff.
That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said.
Bin. And now I'm going to use this comb to brush the lashes through. I'm going to hold it for full 12 minutes. Let's start the clock. I'm going to be sat here trying to push these back onto the pad because they don't want to stick to the pad and they are flinging off. It absolutely stinks. This is definitely like a full-on perm kind of smell. See you in 12 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2. So I managed to keep them on. I had to push them back up to stick onto the pad every like 2 minutes or so, and that first solution has now cleared. So let's move on to the fixation. Use the number 2 fixing agent, blue in colour, on the eyelash, and then cover the plastic film for another 8 to 12 minutes. I'm going to cover my lashes. Online it looks like they are really like full on covering the lashes, so I'm going to attempt to do the same. This one definitely doesn't smell as bad as the first liquid. Doesn't specify the amount that you should be putting on. Like, doesn't even tell you generously coat your lashes with this solution. It just says cover your lashes with this and set up a timer. Another 12 minutes. Start now. Okay, so this one was the hardest because it dissolved the glue that held my lashes. Thankfully, now my step is to clear the eyelash pads, then use the number 3 Nutrition Lotion, yellow in colour, to nourish eyelash. Probably just an oil, and you know me, I have to give it a smell. Definitely an oil, nice and like floral scented. I'm going to take a cotton bud and clean my lashes first. I'll try and get like a residue off. I have to take this off. Okay, and now I'm going to put this on. And then with a cotton wool pad, I'm actually going to take the cleaning solution, which tells you to do that anyway, and clean the residue. I'm just going to put some on here and actually wipe my eye with it, and then maybe reapply the oil. I want to get all of that glue off, but I'm not going to lie guys, I can see a massive difference. Okay, I'm going to let my lash dry and show you the lash. I've decided to zoom you right in as close as I can possibly get it to give you the comparison. This is where I applied the lash lift. This is my eye without. What do you think? We can clearly see it has worked. What do we think? Okay, I'm going to do my other eye off camera and I will be right back to give you my final thoughts. Okay you guys, so here we are. These are my lashes after the lift. I actually quite like it. If I paired this with like henna, I think it would be a good thing. I can actually feel my lashes touching my lids, which is weird. But yeah, if I paired this with like henna, this would be a brilliant thing to use if you're going on holiday. Quite like it. Opened up my eye, almost looks like I've got mascara on. For £21, it was totally worth it. I'm probably gonna get another 3-4 uses out of the package that I had. Would I recommend the Icon Sai Lash Lift from Diablo Cosmetics? Yes, I would. I actually quite liked it. If you are not a patient person, you will hate this. It gets frustrating at times, and it definitely is something you need practice on, and the more you'll do it, the better you'll get. It's not just putting the pad on, sticking the lashes on, putting some solution on, leaving it for 15 minutes and it'll be fine. Overall, it took me, I did 2 eyes separately, but it takes about half an hour, maybe 40 minutes. I don't see any irritation, just maybe a little bit of redness around my eye, but nothing major. I will update you down in the description box in a couple of weeks whether this held up to like 8 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks it says. I hope you have enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. You are the best.